Welcome to Bible Study Tools. Today we're going to be looking at how to use our online concordances to better study the Bible and learn more from Scripture. First, let's go to the top left-hand corner of the screen on the home page where you see the three lines, which is the site menu. Then scroll down until you see the word library. So next we're going to click on Bible Concordances. And then as you can see, we have several different kinds. Today, we're going to focus on Strong's Exhaustive Concordance. So to access Strong's Concordance, you have to browse the King James Version or the New American Standard Bible. And let's pick a book of the Bible. We'll go with Ezra, chapter 4. And then from here, you can see in the top right corner, the little gear, the settings button. We're going to click that and toggle Strong's Concordance on. And you use the same process for any of the other concordances you'd like to look at. And now all of the words that are included in the concordance are highlighted in blue. We can click on one and see the origin of the word, the translations, everything there is to know biblically about that word. So that's how you use Strong's Concordance on Bible Study Tools. I hope this helps. Thanks.